In 3 days since we've been here, I thought moving here would make it like such a nice experience, but there's nothing going on here.
Yeah, I mean, like, I thought that this would be an awesome career move, but it hasn't been at all.
Yeah.
There's nothing ever happens on this island.
Yeah. Nothing like Boston anyway.
Yeah. I have a question. Why is your hair so long?
I don't know. Where's it blonde
We've
too?
only been here for 3 days, dude. Are you going nuts?
Maybe. Hey, you want to get a donut?
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go.
So I hear Darcy's new donut place opened up.
Yeah, I know. It was really nice, but I heard about something about the owner.
Oh no.
There he is. Look what we have here. Looks like pigs aren't the only one dead on this island.
Hey fellas.
Hey, Doc.
What's up? So what's the report on this guy?
The new Six Flags on Anvil Island is awesome!
Yeah!
Oh! Hold on, no, this guy.
Oh. He's dead.
It looks like this guy is dead meat.
What do we do? What do we do?
I don't know!
I thought you knew.
I thought that you knew!
Intern. What did you do today?
I killed a guy. I mean a fly. Gotta go.
Wait a minute.
Hold on a second.
Get him!
Wait 1 second. How convenient is that? Swim trunks underneath. All right, don't move.
Hey man, don't be hasty.
We're gonna escape this island.
Just calm down, man. Calm down.
No!
I think that we have a floater.